In my previous video, we have already learned the 10 laws of indices. So have you mastered all the 10 laws? So how to raise number and algebraic terms in index notation to a power? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to solve this type of question, and we'll start right now. Hello everyone, my name is Shirley and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here and you would like to improve in your math skills, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. Let's take a look at the first question. For question number 1, simplify the following. 2 to the power of 4 times 3 square, whole thing in bracket, to the power of 3. To solve this question, we're going to use law number 3, which is a to the power of m, whole thing in bracket, to the power of n equals to a to the power of mn. This means that numbers or algebraic terms in index notation raised to a power can be simplified by using this law. So first of all, I'm going to write down the question given, which is 2 to the power of 4 times 3 square, whole thing in bracket, to the power of 3. So it's equals 4 times 3 and times 3, 2 times 3. So equals 4 times 3 is 12 and times 3, 2 times 3 is 6. So this is the final answer. For question number 2, simplify the following. A cubed b square times b to the power of 5 over ab in bracket to the power of 4. To solve this question, we're going to use law number 3 again, which is a to the power of m in bracket to the power of n is equals to a to the power of mn. So first of all, we're going to write down the question again, which is a cubed b square times b to the power of 5, whole thing over bracket a b to the power of 4. Okay, so it's equals to a cubed b. So since here is times, we plus the power, which is 2 plus 5 over, so a to the power of 4 and b to the power of 4. So a to the power of 4 and b to the power of 4. So equals, so a cubed b, 2 plus 5 is 7 over a to the power of 4 and b to the power of 4. So equals a 3 minus 4, because it's divide, so you minus the indices, and b 7 minus 4 because it's divide. Okay, so equals a 3 minus 4 is negative 1 and b 7 minus 4 is 3. So a to the power of negative 1 is 1 over a, and b cubed, we just bring it down. So therefore, we can combine together b cubed over a. So this is the final answer. For question number 3, simplify the following. Negative 3 x to the power of 4 y, whole thing in bracket, square, divided by 15 x to the power of 6 y. To solve this question, we're going to use law number 3 again, which is a to the power of m, whole thing in bracket to the power of n is equals to a to the power of mn. So first of all, we're going to write down the question given, which is negative 3 x to the power of 4 y, whole thing square, divided by 15 x to the power of 6 y. So equals, so we're going to break up this bracket, so negative 3 square is 9, and x, 4 times 2 is 8, y square divided by 15 x to the power of 6 y. And next, I'm going to divide 9 divided by 15, I'm going to put it as fraction. And then x to the power of 8 divided by x to the power of 6. When it's divide, we have to subtract the indices. So 8 minus 6, and then y will be 2 minus, this is power 1, so 1. So equals, next I'm going to simplify 9 and 15. Top and bottom, we can divide it by 3. So it becomes 3 over 5x So 8 minus 6 is 2, and y, 2 minus 1 is 1. So therefore, we cannot leave our answer as y to the power of 1. Therefore, we have to write the answer again. So 3 over 5 x squared y. So this is the final answer. Well, that's all for now. Do you wish to see more videos like this? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy watching this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my new videos every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys will keep on learning, keep on practicing, and keep on watching my videos, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye!